money on weed and pills, trying to write a song that will pay the bills, but it ain't came yet. I guess I had to rob the bank. Well, it could be worse, it ain't that bad. At least I ain't sitting in no Baghdad in the middle of the hot damn desert, sitting in a tank. When I watch talks, the kids get mentioned. I'm so broke, I can't pay attention. Lord, how it tears me up just to see her cry. lights and angels meet. Stone to stone to take me on, walking to the break of dawn. Take me, walk me through these trees, where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone to take me on, I'm walking to the break of dawn. Yeah, yeah. I put some new shoes on, and suddenly everything's right. Ooh, I said, hey, I put some new shoes on, and everybody's smiling. It's so right, and I'm short of money for a long, long time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late, but I don't need an excuse. I'm wearing my brand new shoes. People, let me tell you about my father. He's known as the meanest and baddest love maker in town. He has a reputation of going around with others, breaking their hearts and leaving them all crying. He told me, son, let me give you some advice. I want you to remember this for the rest of your life. He told me to find them, fool them, forget them, remember the boys. He told me to find them, fool them, forget them, oh yeah. I didn't listen to what my father told me. I gave it all, I gave my heart to you, girl. You walked on it and misused it, and then finally just broke my heart in two. The way you treated me, I won't even treat a dog. You showed me no mercy at all. I wish I had found her, fooled her, forgot her, like my father said. I had found her, fooled her, and forgot her. Oh yeah, yeah, "20 miles in the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges are getting lower, all the shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the quarter, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what it said. I was born in the rain on a bunch train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane. They come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter. She's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. No, but nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Come down from Chicago, he's gonna set that levee right. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, or won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the quarter said, don't you listen to that boy. The water is down by the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridges are getting lower, and the trim boat's coming home. The old man down in the quarter, he slowly turns his head up. He takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what it said. Yeah, I was born in the rain on a puncture train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane. They come around every